Hello everyone, I am Anis and I am at Tzu Chi University. Today in this video, I am going to teach you how to recharge your student ID card and how to pay for dormitory air conditioner using this bill payment machine. Let's start. This is the front page of this machine. So initially we have to start from this button. It will bring you to this page. Here it is asking for your student ID card. You can either tap in your student ID number here, something like this, or you can also use your student ID card and put it in this sensor zone. If you insert your student ID card in your sensor zone, your name will automatically display in this screen. So after this, we can move on to choose the options. So here are many options. To make the deposit in your student ID card, to recharge your student ID card, we have to choose the first option, making a deposit. And we have to confirm. Here are three buttons. This is the cancel button. This is the button to go to the previous menu, and this is confirm button. We have to confirm. So we are in the next page, and in this page we have to choose more options. So when we click this, we have two options. One is pay dormitory AC bill, and the second one is dining at the school cafeteria. For those who don't know, this card can be used to buy food in school cafeteria. This card is also used to open doors around university and dormitory. Right now we are not paying the dormitory AC bill. Right now I want to recharge my student ID card. So for that I will choose this option, dining at the school cafeteria. And here I have to tap in how much do I want. One means 100 new Taiwan dollar. I want to recharge 500 new Taiwan dollar. So this is the confirm option. And here this is your student ID number, this is your name, this is the purpose. You are paying for dining at the school cafeteria. This is the amount you want to recharge, 500 new Taiwan dollar, and this amount is the amount that is already in your student ID card. So after this payment you will have 546 new Taiwan dollar in your student ID card. So this button is the final confirmation. After confirmation, this machine will ask you to insert money, and the money slot is right there. Here we can insert either $100 bill, $500 bill, or $1,000 bill, and we can also insert coins in this slot if we have coins. I have $1,000 bill, so I will insert this. Because I only want to recharge 500 NTD, so I'm getting back 500 NTD from this machine. Here you go. We have our return, and we also get bill. This is the receipt. So here is my receipt, here is my return, and after everything I'll get option of either I want to continue or not. If I want to continue and do anything else, I will press this button, sure, and if I don't want, I will press this button for. I don't want to do anything else. So, and this is the end, and I can take back my card here. So this is the way we can recharge our student ID card. And the same process is for payment of dormitory air conditioner.
We insert the card. After pressing this, we insert the card. We go to option. We go to option making a deposit. Confirm.
We press this button, and instead of dining at the school cafeteria, we go for pay dorm AC bill. And we can add amount, how much we want to pay, and we can confirm. And once you check the information, you can start payment. And the slot will ask for money, but currently we don't want to pay for dormitory AC, so we will just cancel it. And if you want to cancel it, you can press this button and everything will be cancelled. Cancel everything. So this is how you recharge your student ID card and pay for dormitory air conditioning. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you very much.